Are you struggling to figure out where to host your WordPress website? Well, stay tuned because in today's video, I'm going to share with you my favorite managed WordPress hosting company. Are you ready? Let's go. I want to welcome you to the WordPress Made Easy show. I'm your host, Jennifer Franklin, and I help entrepreneurs create and grow their WordPress websites quickly without stressing out over design or tech. I was on a call yesterday with a brand new business owner, and one of his biggest concerns that was holding him back was, where do I host my WordPress website? So in today's video, I'm going to make this super easy for you, sharing with you my favorite WordPress website hosts. Here we are on my favorite WordPress website hosting company, Flywheel. Flywheel is a division of WP Engine. Over the past 15 years, I have used a lot of different WordPress hosting companies, and none of them quite compare to what I found at Flywheel. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. But I want to show you how you can get your website hosting set up on Flywheel and get the 14-day free trial so you can start finding out all of the great benefits of Flywheel for yourself. Are you ready? Let's get started. So on the Flywheel website homepage, down in the center, you'll click on sign up for free. When you click on that button, it will open up an option to create your new account. So you just want to go ahead and fill in your name, last name, email, phone number, and create a username and password. The username and password will be how you log into your Flywheel account in the future. Once you've clicked sign up, your Flywheel account will be created. To create your first site, you can click on create a new site. If you read through the welcome page at the very bottom, again, there's a link to create a site. You can click on that. If you want to give Flywheel a try free for 14 days, you can scroll down and click on create demo site. This will allow you to create a site that you can test for 14 days. And at that time, if you love it as much as I do, you can go ahead and complete your billing. Before we can create our first demo site, we need to verify our email address. To do that, head over to your email and you should have an email from Flywheel. You'll click on that and it will take you to Flywheel where you need to log in. They're going to ask you to verify your account with either a text message or a credit card. So I just went ahead and clicked on text message and entered the phone number that you want them to send the text to. And they will send you a code. Once you have that code, you can copy it and verify your account. Once you've accomplished those quick steps, we can come back to this page and we will get started setting up your demo site. The next steps are to complete the form on this page by entering in a site name. I'm just going to use Jen's Demo, and then come up with a temporary domain. So I'll just use Jen's Demo here again. And so my temporary domain would be jensdemo.flywheelsites.com. That's where I will go to see my site once it's live. You can select your data center. I'm here in the United States. There's Australia, Canada, European Union, and United Kingdom. Next, you'll create your WordPress username and password. This is what you will use to log in to your WordPress website once we go ahead and click create demo. And we'll get an email once it's ready. It shouldn't take too long. Another reason why I love Flywheel is their super slick, easy to navigate dashboard. Here we are on the dashboard, which is super clean. You can find it by clicking on the dashboard button at the top of your account. It looks like our demo site has been installed. So let's go ahead and click on my demo. And here it is. So up in the top left-hand corner, you'll see that I have 14 days left to enjoy my free trial. I can go ahead and explore and play around with this platform, and that's it. So in today's video, I shared with you how to set up your WordPress website hosting and install WordPress on your new WordPress website host on Flywheel. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll share with you how to install one of my favorite WordPress website themes, and I'm not going to give that away yet. You'll have to tune in to see. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, my name is Jennifer Franklin, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Each week, I'll bring you a brand new video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment below. See you later.